Clear? So just have patience, saw the video and revise the chapter. If the voice is not clear, the voice will be clear in the video only of that I am recording.
Grandpa, can you please help me?
Sure.
Oh no!
What happened? Aren't you flying your kite?
No, there is no air.
But air is present all around us.
I mean that the air is not moving.
Right. There is no moving air. Or we can say,
There is no wind.
air is present all around us. Moving air is called wind.
Hey doggy, is it okay?
Of course, it's okay. It is breathing heavily because of the running. Don't you breathe hard when you run?
Oh yes, you are right. So even dogs breathe.
Yes, both animals and plants breathe, and they need air to breathe.
You mean even this worm needs air to breathe?
Oh yes,
Oh, so this butterfly, snake, and the rabbit do need air to breathe.
indeed. And what about plants?
Plants. Do plants also need air to breathe?
Oh yes, plants do need air to breathe. Animals and plants both need air to breathe.
So are we alike? I mean the plants and us.
Yes, plants and animals are very much alike. Both breathe in air.
And what about breathing out?
Yes, both plants and animals breathe out the part of air that they do not need.
What do you mean?
Air is a mixture of many gases, such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, etc., etc. Animals breathe in oxygen, whereas plants breathe in carbon dioxide. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide and plants breathe out oxygen.
And where do we get all this air from?
It is present all around us. It is part of our atmosphere.
Atmosphere?
The layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere.
Are these gases present in the same amount in the air?
No. Look at this bird lung. Imagine that instead of water, it filled with air. If we divide air into 5 parts, then 2 parts will be oxygen, and the remaining 4 parts will be nitrogen, carbon dioxide, other gases, and water vapors.
But Grandpa, air is a mixture of so many gases. How come we still cannot see it?
Air is colorless, and so are the gases and water vapors that make it. Therefore, you can feel it but cannot see it.
Look at those parts. They are swaying. This means that the air is moving. Oh, I can fly my kite now.
Anuj, let us go back home now.
Grandpa, please come here. I can smell air.
Anuj, air has no smell or taste. What you smell is the fragrance of these gardenia flowers. The moving air or the wind is carrying their sweet fragrance everywhere.
Can I take that balloon, Grandpa?
Yes, but first tell me what is inside the balloon.
Very simple. It's air.
Very good. The balloons without the air inside them looks like that. And with the air, they became so big. Anuj, what this means is that air occupies a space and has weight. Anuj, let's go home. I will show you something more on the way. All these cars burn fuel, either petrol or diesel, and emits harmful gases. This results in air pollution.
I know, Grandpa. The mixing of harmful gases, smoke, and other solid particles in the air is called air pollution.
When we inhale this polluted air, it makes us ill and results in diseases like cough, asthma, irritation in the eyes, skin problems, lung infection, etc. Air pollution is caused by harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, and so on. These are called air pollutants.
Grandpa, let me show you a magic.
That's a clever trick. But do you know why the water and the cardboard are not falling? Air exerts pressure on the cardboard in the upward direction, and therefore the cardboard does not fall.
Grandpa, it's your turn now.
So what?
Show me a magic trick.
Why the water and the cardboard are not falling? Air exerts pressure on the cardboard in the upward direction, and therefore the cardboard does not fall.
Grandpa, it's your turn now.
For what?
To show me a magic trick. Come on.
Can you light up a candle without touching or blowing it off?
No.
Okay, class 6, do you remember I have make you measure this experiment? आप लोगों ने ये वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट अभी बुक में भी देखा था, जहाँ पे कैंडल कब तक बर्न होती है जब तक उसके ऊपर ग्लास केस नहीं रखते. You can see this glass case. When you put this glass case over the candle, what will happen? Anyone? क्या होगा अगर आप उसके ऊपर ग्लास केस रख दोगे?
Ma'am, the candle will not burn. Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am. The candle will not get oxygen.
Yes. Who said it will not get the oxygen? Because in the absence... Yes, Kriti, very good. You know that in the absence of oxygen, burning is not taken place. Burning कब होती है? किस गैस की वजह से?
Ma'am, because of nitrogen. And oxygen.
Yes, burning. Oxygen supports burning. नाइट्रोजन सपोर्ट नहीं करती है, ऑक्सीजन. अगर आप इसके ऊपर ग्लास लगा दोगे तो थोड़ी देर में जितनी भी ऑक्सीजन होगी वो क्या हो जाएगी? यूज हो जाएगी. इसलिए क्या होता है? कैंडल बुझ जाती है. रिमेम्बर, आप लोग रिवाइज करो चैप्टर. नाउ सी द वीडियो नाउ.
Can you? Wow!
You see, air is required for burning. In fact, the oxygen part of the air is required for burning. The cover of burning candle used up all the oxygen inside the glass, and when no more oxygen was left in the glass, it burned out.
And this candle is still burning because it is still getting the oxygen.
That's right.
Thanks, Grandpa. Today I learned so many things about air. Air is present all around us. Moving air is called wind. Animals and plants both need air to breathe. Animals and plants both breathe in air and exhale the part of air they do not need. Air is a mixture of many gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Animals breathe in oxygen and plants breathe in carbon dioxide. The layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. If we divide air into 5 parts, then one part will be oxygen and the remaining 4 parts will be nitrogen, carbon dioxide, other gases, and water vapors. Air is colorless and therefore cannot be seen.
Air pollution is caused by harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, and so on. These are called air pollutants.
Air has no smell or taste. Air occupies space and has weight. Air exerts pressure. Air is required for burning.
How many of you understand this? Okay. Very good. Now, one by one, ask your doubt. जिसको जो चीज समझ में नहीं आई, just ask your doubts. We are revising the same chapter. Who didn't understand? One by one. Tanmay, you want to ask your own question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tanmay, ask your question.
Ma'am, in the last month that was given that ma'am air ma'am वो burnt ma'am क्यों नहीं हो रहा था ma'am वो ma'am बुझ कैसे गया था?
How many of you know the answer that the candle burns out? Why? How many of you know the
Ma'am, I know
answer?
that.
Just raise your hands
Ma'am,
first.
can you tell again?
No. First raise your
Ma'am,
hands. Anshika.
Ma'am, please tell the question again.
Tanmay was asking that ma'am why the candle blows out. जो कैंडल थी एंड में वीडियो के आपने देखा जिस कैंडल को ग्रैंडपा ने ग्लास केस के अंदर ग्लास के अंदर रख दिया वो कैंडल बुझ जाती है एंड द अदर कैंडल कीप्स ऑन बर्निंग. व्हाई? I have shown the same experiment when I was teaching this chapter. Shiven. Okay, Yashpit, Shiven, Anshika. Mute your mic, everyone. Mute your mics.
Ma'am, yes, suppose.
Preeti Parma boy. Mute your mics. Just mute your mics, everyone. Anshika, answer.
Ma'am, because air supports burning.
Which air? Which component of air supports burning? Just raise your hand. I'll tell who will, speak the answer. Shiven. No, just Shiven will answer. Everyone else, mute your mics. Yes, Shiven. Which gas? Yes.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Yashvin? Can you answer why? Just give me the whole answer, Yashmit. Why the candle which is present inside the glass blows out while the other candle which was standing on the table is burned? Why?
Ma'am,
Yes.
there are two candles. One was covered with a glass.
Yes.
And in glass, when the oxygen came to end,
Yes.
the candle in the glass will
Blows
blows
out. Very good. Very good. And why the other candle which was outside was burning, still burning?
because there is oxygen.
Yes, because all of you know that oxygen is present in atmosphere. और आप जब जो कैंडल बाहर होगी वो और ऑक्सीजन अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन को क्या कर सकती है, ऑक्यूपाई कर सकती है. नाउ तन्मय, कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड द आंसर?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Any other person, any more doubt? Anyone from the video? किसी और को कोई doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Have you all understand the whole chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just I'm asking some questions. Just answer me. Name any two gases. Name any two gases. Or how will you answer? You will just raise your hand, and I am calling out the name. Nobody will open their mic without my permission. Okay? This create noise pollution. So don't create noise pollution. Just raise your hand. Everyone will get the chance. So my question is, name any two gases which which are air pollutants or which helps in air pollution. Shivendra.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Name any two gases which support air pollution or which due to which air pollution is there. Mayank Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer my question. Vivek, answer my question.
Ma'am, please ask the question again.
Name the two gases which are air pollutant. Name the two.
Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide.
Very good, well done. So you know that carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, all these gases are harmful gases. Do you remember there was a video I have shown, I have given you an example where a mother was cooking inside the kitchen and the room was closed from everywhere and you feel suffocating. हम लोग suffocating क्यों feel करते हैं? Because of the presence of carbon dioxide. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, one more thing you have seen in the video that both plants and animals breathe. Okay, plants और animals दोनों ही breathe करते हैं. Which gas does the animal take and which gas does they exhale out? वो कौन सी गैस को inhale करते हैं? Which gas they exhale out? Just raise your hand. No.
Carbon dioxide.
Keep quiet. I told you. Kapil Kumar, Mayank Verma, mute your mics. Kriti Padma Boy, mute your mics. Just raise your hand. Everyone will get the answer. Okay. Okay, Ankit Kumar Swain, you are raising your hand. Yes, Ankit. Just tell me the answer. And everyone will get one time chance. If you are not able to answer, I am not giving a chance again. Okay? So, Ankit, do you want to answer it? Which gas we inhale? Which gas we inhale?
Ma'am, oxygen we inhale and carbon dioxide we exhale.
Okay. Kriti Padma Bhoi, plant inhale which gas and exhale which gas?
Ma'am, plant inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen.
Why they use carbon dioxide? Mayank Verma.
Ma'am, they use
No, Mayank Verma.
Ma'am, because carbon dioxide is not useful for our body and it's
Wrong.
harm.
Wrong answer. Kapil Kumar. Which is the use of carbon dioxide for plants?
Ma'am, carbon
outside.
plant uses carbon dioxide because
Mayan, your chance is gone. Mayan, mute your mic, your chance is gone. Yes, Kapil.
and for the photosynthesis.
Very good. Because they make their own food with the help of the process photosynthesis, and for this they need which gas? Carbon dioxide. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now my next question is for Dipanshu Patel. Dipanshu, open your mic. Everyone else close your mic. Mute your mic, sorry. Dipanshu, open your mic. Yes, Dipanshu. Moving air is known as, moving air को आप क्या बोलते हो? Moving air is called as, Dipanshu. Yes, Dipanshu, you want to answer? You have seen in the video, I have told in the class also.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishita Pandey, answer. Ishita again, answer it. Your voice is not clear. Okay, very good. Yes, it was clear that moving air is known as wind. My next question is, does air smells, or does we can smell air or not? Does it have any smell? Shivendra Kumar. Shivendra Kumar. Okay, very well done. Next, my question is that. एक second. Tushar Tyagi, my question is to you. Does
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Can you hear me? Okay, my question is that air occupies space and have mass or weight. Is it true or false? Tushar, my question is that air occupies space and have mass. True or false?
Yes, ma'am, this is true.
Can you give me one example, Tushar?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me one example. You have seen in the video also. There is one example. Have you seen the balloon man who was giving the balloon to the children?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Aditya Dubey. Keep quiet, everyone. Aditya Dubey. No, I am asking question to Aditya Dubey. He was raising his hand. Aditya, can you hear me? Preeti, don't open your cameras. Okay. So my question is that Anshika, inflated balloon,
Yes, ma'am.
inflated balloon और blown balloon में क्या फर्क होता है?
It has weight, mass, and
This is
the
why it has weight and mass. Why the balloon has weight and mass? Vivek Kumar, you answer it.
Ma'am, balloon has weight and mass because the air is filled up in balloon, so the balloon has mass of air.
Very good. Well done. Well done, class. Very well done. Okay. So now during WhatsApp class time, I will give you a test paper for air around us. Kya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And I will send you this video also. Those who have not seen the video, they have, or everyone has to see it. सबको वीडियो देखना है, ठीक है? और आप लोग सब लोग रिवाइज करो चैप्टर, एंड आई विल गिव अ टेस्ट.
आपने मुझसे क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछा.
किससे कौन रह गया?
मैम
तन्मय, आई हैव स्टार्टेड द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम यू ओनली. मैंने पहला क्वेश्चन तुम्ही से पूछा था. तो मेरा सो कौन और तो कोई नहीं रह गया जिससे मैंने क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा. आई हैव कवर्ड एवरीवन. नाउ बस थैंक यू एंड आई विल मीट यू ड्यूरिंग व्हाट्सएप क्लास. ओके?
ओके मैम, ओके मैम, ओके मैम।